Lisa. S- So, what are some of the reasons that you think people might really want to come to our Let's Soar in 2024 event?
I think there's a few different reasons. I think, we're finally crawled out of the intensity of the pandemic and the implications of all of that for small businesses. And I feel like folks sort of got through 2023. Okay, we're kind of done with it. Now, how do we stop being in survival mode and move into a thriving mode? And I feel like with your help with the visioning and my help with the tactics, we'll be able to get people to, as we say, soar in 2024.
I think that's great. We were talking earlier too about folks who, yeah, it's just a lot of uncertainty out there right now. I mean, things are just changing so fast, and we came out of the pandemic, and a lot of businesses are kind of flat or trying to figure out what to really jump into for the year ahead. And there's so much change happening that I think it's really I've experienced with business owners that I work with. I think you too. To have a really inspired vision, and that's what we'll lead them through with the visioning portion of the workshop. Whenever I lead the visioning, I usually find people have an aha moment that they didn't realize before. Some inspiration, some new thought, something that they've got realizing they've got to grow and step into something. Also, usually release and let go. Sometimes they have to let go of old ideas or beliefs, and people get that aha moment about where their business really can go in terms of what they're doing in terms of products or services or focus or all those kind of things for the new year. So cool. Well, if anyone has any questions, please leave us comments, and we'll be posting more videos too. Super excited. This is going to be a really powerful event.
Yeah, me too. I'm really excited.